How to fix Steam not opening on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when the Steam app won't launch at all. First, right-click on the Start menu and open Task Manager. After that, click on the Processes tab and check if Steam is already running in the background. From there, if it is, right-click on it and select End Task. At this point, try opening Steam again after ending the task. In the next step, if it still won't open, right-click on the Steam shortcut on your desktop. Following this, select Run as Administrator. Once done, if this doesn't work either, search for Steam in the Windows search bar. From here, right-click on it and select Open File Location. At this stage, inside that folder, look for a file called steam.exe, then double-click it directly to try launching Steam that way. Keep in mind, outdated graphics drivers or antivirus software can sometimes block Steam from opening, so check Windows Update and your antivirus settings if the issue continues. Finally, if none of this works, try restarting your computer, then reopen Steam once more. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Steam not opening on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.